Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be making a hair growth oil. Now I know I have a lot of hair growth oil on my channel, but in today's video this is a special one because I'm introducing the star of the day. And guess what this is, guys? This is curry leaves. Now I know a lot of us use curry leaves in our homes to cook, and we know the health benefits of curry leaves, but what you don't know is the benefit of curry leaves for hair growth, and that is why I'm going to be incorporating this into my hair growth oil in this video. And the next ingredient is going to be cloves. You all know that I love cloves so much. I've been using cloves since I started my hair growth journey, as a spray, as an hair growth oil. So I use cloves a lot and it has been a staple for me. I'm going to be listing out the benefits of these herbs on your screen so that you can see them out, and you can also make your own research to see if they are good for you. So the next ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek is protein based. That is why I love fenugreek so much. So each time I want to, give my hair some form of structure, strengthen my hair strands, strengthen my hair follicles, I just like to use fenugreek. So fenugreek seed, you can use it as a spray, you can use it as a hair mask. You can pretty much use fenugreek in whatever form you want to. And then the last but not the least is moringa powder. So you can also use moringa leaves as well, but I like to make mine into a powder form. So I practically get the leaves and then I just blend it to have the powdered form. So these are the four ingredients I'm going to be using. Feel free to switch up whichever one you feel like you don't need. You can replace it with some of those herbs that you love so much. So what you need is a clean jar. Make sure it's neat and sterilized, and then you need an oil base. So olive oil is what I always use, extra virgin olive oil. This is not the brand I always use, but I ran out of my oil, so I just have to make do with what I have on hand. So I'm going to pour in all my herbs into my glass jar and then pour in my olive oil. So guys, I didn't take any measurements of all this, so I just typically eyeballed it. I've been doing this consistently, so I know the quantity that I want. But my oil was not enough, so I think I added a little bit more. I went out to get some more olive oil to really add to this, so that I don't waste my herbs. So feel free to do whatever measurement works for you. So I just covered it up and placed it in a hot water bath. So this is what you want to do, or you can also place it on your stove on low heat. This is just to help the ingredients mix, properly. So not very hot, but just enough to mix it properly. So as you can see, I had added my more olive oil to the brim, and also I left this for almost a week, so about 5 to 6 days thereabout. So you want to leave this for a long period of time, at least 48 hours, so that the ingredients will infuse really well into your oil. And you're going to see what I'm talking about really soon, because I really infused this so much that the ingredients were already turning dark. The leaves were already brown, deep brown in color. Everything was used up. You can still add some more oils into it and filter out, but I think I'll just let this be. So I used a wig cap to, strain the oil. You can use a strainer or anything that helps you strain your helps out. And this is what my oil is looking like, crystal clear and ready to be used, guys. I just transferred this into my applicator bottle. I still had a little left in that container, but I added this into it. It's still the same oil, hair growth oil, so I added that into my applicator bottle for easy application. And this is it, guys, ready to be used. So I also had some left and I just poured it out into a container, and I'm going to use that for my pre-poo treatment. So this is it, guys. As you can see, my hair growth oil is here. This is the leftover I had that I'm going to use for my oil treatment. I love using hair growth oils, and that is all I use for my pre-poo, for moisturizing my hair, and for my hot oil treatment. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.